Welcome, in this video I will show you how to handle crashes in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. If your game crashed and you received a crash report like this, you can either close it or allow verify game files in order for developers to improve the gaming experience in the future. If you allow verify game files, this data will be sent to developers and they will know what caused your game crash and therefore will check it and will handle it so to prevent crashes in the future. So I highly recommend clicking allow verify game files, and then you can also describe the problem in this field. And then press send to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.